We all have a daily routine which comprises of a lot of activities, but knowingly or unknowingly, lot of those habits are bad for you. You may think that they really don't matter. They are just small things, man. But at the end, everything compounds. If you haven't read the book The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, then I will highly suggest you that you read that one. It explains how even small decisions, when compounded for years and years, they can really destroy your life. So yeah, today I'm gonna tell you 4 daily habits which you should avoid at all costs. Otherwise, you will be in a world of hate. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Hey guys, my name is Apur Agarwal. Hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos every single week which you don't wanna miss out. So yeah, the first habit is that you are not providing your brain with any positivity at all. We live in a world where most of the things just gives us negativity, and if those things are not enough, we do it ourselves by doubting every single decision we make for ourselves. So yeah, if this continues for a longer period of time, you will just become a negative person with a lot of insecurity, low confidence, and you will just not be a great person to be around with. Now, how can you turn this around? By adding positivity in your life. Maybe you have a friend who motivates you a lot, which is quite rare. So in my opinion, the best way is to read books. Even if you give 15 to 20 minutes per day, it will really shift your perspective. You will notice how you have started to look at things differently. If you are looking for some books to start with, make sure to check out this video. 5 life-changing books which everyone should read. If you don't like reading, which I personally don't agree with at all, because anyone can force himself to read something for 15 minutes if he or she really want to improve. But yeah, you can listen to podcasts, put it on an earphone and listen to it while you are driving, before taking a nap. However you like, there are a lot of good podcasts which can completely change your mindset. Now, the second thing will be scrolling through your feed 24/7. Let's be honest, we all know that being on your phone 24/7 is not a good thing. But what's worse is consuming dog shit content. It's fine if you're watching these type of videos which are trying to motivate you, trying to help you. Also, I'm not saying that you shouldn't watch girls dancing or just funny content. Even I make those type of videos as well, but there is a limit. You must have read quotes like, show me your friends and I will show your future. Same goes to the majority of content you are watching. Now, the third thing is obsessing over gym. If you are being lazy in big 2021, you are not working out, I don't know what to say to you. You are just a big idiot at this point. But there is a category of people who are complete opposite to it. Maybe you can relate to it as well, because I was there. And let me tell you, it was not a happy time. For every gym goer, a time comes when you start living in the gym. Not literally, but yeah, you stop going out since you don't want to ruin your diet. You're obsessed over even 1 calorie which a food might contain. You want to work out 7 days per week, and overall your life start getting miserable day by day. I was there. Gym was my life. It still is, but now I know the balance, and I want you to know it as well. If gym starts to affect your daily life decisions, it's probably time to step back. Don't get me wrong. It will be tough if you are trying to gain weight. It will be tough if you are trying to lose weight. But just know the balance between enjoying your life with it as well. If you mess up your diet one day, it's fine. Carry on tomorrow. If you are cancelling on a date for so long just because you don't want to miss a workout, it's fine. You will not lose your gains in just one day. Balance is the key. Now, the fourth thing will be going with the flow. If you are someone who doesn't take your own decision, you let someone else decide your life. You are doing something in your life just because someone else told you. Just stop. Seriously, stop. Every decision in your life should come from you. Listen to others. Take their advice. Analyze it. But at the end, the decision should be yours. Don't go with the flow. Create your own flow. So from now on, make sure that you are taking every crucial decision by your own thinking, so that even if that decision turns up bad in the future, you cannot blame someone else. Just learn something from it and move on. So yeah, these were the 4 daily habits which are destroying your life. If you are doing even one of them, just stop. Make sure to check out the video I made on 5 life-changing books as well. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.